what's it like then? Oh no. Yeah. So it's the 2nd of January. I don't know what day it is. I think it's Thursday morning. I'm on the road again. On the way to South Molton to meet William, who you will have seen previously, picked up the 2140. So we're going to go and pick something up. It's about, well, it's nearly 8:30, and I have a feeling it's going to be quite a nice day. I don't know whether you can see, I suppose you can't see out the window. It's fairly clear skies, but I don't know, we might be fooled before. But anyway, let's get to the yard, or get to South Molton, and see how William's doing this morning. So William has arrived nice and early with a glove box full of strong pornography and egg on his vest. We're lost against Paolo. What was his name? Paolo what?
I have no idea. He's Portuguese.
Pablo Escobar.
I think he was Portuguese.
No, I think he was very, very upset with you.
Probably.
Have we got the right turning this time?
We have, yes.
We're not going to Wellington.
No, I was asleep for the first one, sorry. I apologise.
So what is your day job, William?
Diggers.
Did you?
Basically. Digging holes, putting poles up.
Digging holes, planting poles.
On the odd occasion I drive a lorry around the countryside for the fun of it, picking up random rusty buckets.
Digging ditches, banging bitches.
Indeed. You got the gist.
Are we nearly there yet?
Nearly. 25 minutes.
Well, you'll fit second time.
I think I'll fit first time, because it's definitely not 12.9, I don't think. It's more the crane. I can't hear no scratching.
It'll be alright. No dramas. No dramas at all.
Always safe.
Have we got it right now?
It should do.
I don't know what does what. I don't know what I'm doing.
I know, that is clear.
I pushed all the levers and nothing happened.
Jugger on. No.
That is the latest purchase. What do you think, William?
Big old rust bucket.
It's not as big as they normally are. He still wants to go right-handed, if he can. I'm going to come off now. Ooh. Ah. Leave William flapping. Oh, Jesus. I'll get like more. So we're loaded now, aren't we, William?
We are loaded on the way back.
Are we going to find some Costa or some Mackies?
I'm sure we'll find something. Fucking hungry, I know that.
Yeah. Normally lorry drivers would have to find a lay-by and a hooker.
Need a burger. Big fat greasy burger with an egg in.
Lay-by and a burger. So for those who remember from the previous 2140 video, we'll remember Will had a different lorry. It was black. This one's a Scania 380 114C. Whatever that means, I have no idea. But we're on the way back. We stopped at Taunton Dean to get Mackies and enjoy a lovely, big tasty. And then we made it our way back to the yard. And as you can see, the link road, as usual, was screwed. And that is it for Thursday. Oh, so it's Friday today. It's currently one. That'll be it. We're going to tractor in today. Got a little spud with me. Gonna go hauling chicken dung, I think. So I'll make my way over to the 210. See if that one will start. I haven't started that one in a couple of weeks now. But yeah. Cold! So normally when driving vehicles, it is a good idea to bring the key with you. But I forgot the key, so Hannah is on her way over with it now. Oh well, we'll try again in a minute. Off! Cool. We'll give it a couple heat cycles. Hey! Yes. Make sure there's nothing in the back. And our survey says no. Oh, good. Open sesame. Oh, look at that, it worked. So when emptying the chicken sheds, obviously they're very low roofed sheds and they've got feed rails inside hanging from the roof and drinkers and all sorts. So they have a bobcat like this one, just driving around inside, scoop up all the chicken litter, push it outside, and then afterwards pick that up with the handler and then chuck it in the trailer and take it up into the field. A great big pile of poo. Yeah, that's it for Friday. Go home and have a lovely cider. Saturday morning, same again. Thank you, boy with the bobcat has just arrived. We'll make a start in a minute. So this is inside one of the chicken sheds. Obviously on the left and the right you've got the nest boxes, I'd imagine, and then the thing in the middle up on the roof, that will be lowered down, and that's the feeders. A disaster has befallen me. Somebody has come along and bent the gate. No, that was definitely me. I think what happened was, when I'm pulling in this way, I think the netting was here somewhere, and I must have come through yesterday. It did get quite greasy in the afternoon, so I think Trailer must have come in, or the back wheel of the tractor actually, probably pulled that in and pulled this towards the trailer, and then yeah, we've now got a gate to fill a very small gap. Whoops! I'm not doing massive loads at the minute because it's quite difficult pulling up into the field. There's a little track we've got to pull up, and it's surprisingly heavy. Because some of it's quite dry, but then other bits are real wet and sloppy and heavy. So some people could say I'm being a little bit insensitive eating chicken on a chicken farm, but there's no chickens in that shed, so I'm sure they don't mind. Maybe this was one of them. What do you think, Spud? Who knows? It might have been. We'll never know. Oh, so that's that done for a Saturday. It's about 3 o'clock. Just hit this last load, take the trailer off, and then I should be going home. Won't be doing anything tomorrow. Tomorrow being Sunday, obviously. And then back on this again on Monday, and probably Tuesday actually, so same thing, different day. Wednesday morning, hopefully, I'll be going to see about something. I don't want to give too much away just yet, but it could be quite a big change. But I shall sort of keep that under wraps a bit until I definitely know what's going on. Hopefully that'll be something that will maybe grow the channel. I don't know. I don't really know what I could sort of say about that, but it'll make a difference anyway. And a big difference. It'll make a difference to the business. It'll make a difference to the YouTube. It'll make a difference to everything. So fingers crossed for that one. Yeah. Might pick this up again on Monday, might not. You'll find out right about now. So it's Sunday. No work today. It's rather wet. Had a lot of rain last night. Normally this would run underneath. And there's a big pipe there. But further up is blocked. It's going everywhere. Happy Sunday.